Welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast. I am John.
And I am Olivia. Do you feel tired every day? Do you want to feel happier and healthier?
Today, our topic is simple daily habits for a better life. We have 6 easy habits to share with you today.
If you want a better life, but you do not want to make big, difficult changes, this episode is exactly for you.
Before we start, let me ask you a question. What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
That is a good question. Think about it, listeners. Many people look at their phones immediately.
Yes, they open their eyes and look at the screen. But today, we will learn better ways to start the day. Let's look at habit number 1. Drink a glass of water.
That sounds very simple. Why is it a good habit, John?
Because your body needs water after a long night of sleep. A glass of water wakes up your brain and your stomach.
So before I drink my morning coffee, I should drink water?
Exactly. Put a glass of water next to your bed. Drink it as soon as you wake up.
It is a very small change, but it gives you a lot of energy. Listeners, do you drink water in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your comments about your daily life.
Let's move to habit number 2, make your bed.
Make your bed. My mother always told me to do this.
Mine too. Making your bed takes only 1 or 2 minutes, but it is a very powerful habit.
Why is that?
Because it is the first job of the day. When you make your bed, you finish your first job successfully.
Oh, I understand. It gives you a good feeling. It makes you want to do more good jobs during the day.
Yes, and at night, when you are tired, you come back to a clean, beautiful bed. It helps you sleep better.
That is a short recap of our first 2 habits. Drink a glass of water and make your bed.
They are so easy, right?
Listeners, stay with us because habit number 5 is very powerful. It can really change how you feel every day.
But first, let's talk about habit number 3, walk for 15 minutes.
Walking is wonderful exercise. You do not need to go to a gym.
Yes, just walk outside for 15 minutes. You can walk in the park or just around your house.
Fresh air and sunshine are very good for your body and your mind.
Sometimes I feel very stressed at work, but when I take a short walk, the stress goes away.
Walking helps you think clearly. Do you walk every day? Try it tomorrow morning.
It's quiz time.
Here's a question for you. Why is making your bed a powerful habit?
Option A, because it helps you learn new English words.
Option B, because it gives you a feeling of success early in the morning.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B, because it gives you a feeling of success early in the morning.
Did you choose option B? Write your answer in the comments. We enjoy seeing your progress.
All right, let's look at habit number 4. Read 10 pages of a book.
Reading is so important. Not reading on your phone, but reading a real paper book.
Yes, it is a great habit for your brain. If you read just 10 pages every day, you will read a lot of books in 1 year.
It is true. 10 pages only takes about 10 or 15 minutes.
You can read before you go to sleep or while you drink your morning coffee.
Reading helps you learn new things, and of course, reading English books helps you learn English.
Every time you read, you see new words and new sentences. It's great practice.
Before we look at our next habit, we have a quick reminder for our listeners.
If you're enjoying this episode and learning today, please take a second to like the video.
Yes, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future episodes.
And write a comment below. It really helps our channel, and we love hearing from you.
Thank you, everyone. Now it's time for habit number 5. You said this one is very powerful, John.
Yes, habit number 5 is say thank you more often.
Say thank you. That's about gratitude, right?
Yes, gratitude means being happy for the good things in your life.
Sometimes we only think about our problems. We forget about the good things.
Exactly. So every day, try to say thank you. Say thank you to the person who makes your coffee.
Say thank you to your family members for helping you.
But you can also just say thank you for a beautiful sunny day or for a good meal.
When you focus on good things, your brain becomes happier.
It changes your whole life. People like to be around happy and thankful people.
Do you follow this rule in your life? Do you say thank you every day? Let us know in the comments.
Now we are at our final habit. Habit number 6, put your phone away before sleep.
Oh, this is the hardest habit for me.
It is hard for me too, but looking at a bright screen before bed is very bad for your eyes and your brain.
Yes, the blue light from the phone makes your brain think it's daytime.
If you look at your phone in bed, you will not sleep well, and sleep is very important for a better life.
So what should we do instead?
Leave your phone in another room or put it on a desk far away from your bed.
That is a great idea. Then you can read your book for 10 pages before you sleep.
Exactly. You combine 2 good habits together.
Let's do a short recap of our last 3 habits.
Habit 4 is read 10 pages.
Habit 5 is say thank you more often.
And habit 6 is put your phone away before sleep.
You're doing great, listeners. Are you ready for our second quiz?
It's quiz time. Here's a question for you. Why should you put your phone away before you go to sleep?
Option A, because the bright light makes it hard for your brain to sleep.
Option B, because your phone needs water in the morning.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option A, because the bright light makes it hard for your brain to sleep.
Great job! Tell us in the comments how many quiz questions you answered today.
Let's quickly remember all 6 habits for a better life.
Habit 1, drink a glass of water.
Habit 2, make your bed.
Habit 3, walk for 15 minutes.
Habit 4, read 10 pages of a book.
Habit 5, say thank you more often.
And habit 6 is put your phone away before sleep.
You're doing great, listeners. Which of these habits will you start today? Choose just one to begin with.
That's a great advice, John. You do not need to do all 6 today. Start small, adding one simple habit.
Over time, these small habits will create a much better life for you.
We believe in you. We hope these simple tips help you feel happier and healthier.
Remember to practice your English by talking about these daily routines with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Easy with Podcast. We are very proud of your progress.
Yes, we are. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Please like the video, subscribe, and write a comment. We can't wait to see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful and healthy day.
Bye. Have a great day.